Have you ever been in bed, staring at the ceiling, watching the clock tick from midnight to 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. and still wide awake? That's insomnia, and it's way more common than you think. In fact, 1 in 3 people experience it at some point. But here's the thing. Most people treat insomnia the wrong way. They try harder to sleep. And the harder you try, the more awake you become. It's like telling your brain, don't think of a pink elephant. And suddenly, that's the only thing you can think of. So let's break the cycle. Here are the real rules of beating sleepless nights. Rule number 1, no screens before bed. Scrolling your phone in bed feels relaxing, but it's tricking your brain. That blue light signals your brain that it's still daytime. So instead of producing melatonin, your sleep hormone, your brain stays in alert mode. Bottom line, phone equals awake brain. Rule number 2, bed is only for sleep. Your brain is like a dog. It learns patterns. If you lie in bed scrolling, watching TV, or stressing out, your brain learns bed equals awake time. Break that link. If you can't sleep after 20 minutes, get up, read something boring, or stretch, then return when you're actually sleepy. Rule number 3, set a strict sleep schedule. Most people think they can catch up on sleep on weekends. Wrong. Your body runs on a clock, the circadian rhythm. If you keep changing the schedule, your body never knows when to switch off. Pick a bedtime, pick a wake-up time, and stick to it. Yes, even on weekends. Rule number 4, calm the mind before bed. Here's the sneaky part of insomnia. It's often not your body that's awake. It's your mind. Racing thoughts, tomorrow's tasks. That embarrassing thing you said 3 years ago. To fix it, build a wind-down ritual. Write down tomorrow's to-do list, journal your thoughts. Or try slow breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, exhale 6 seconds. It tells your body, we're safe. Time to rest. Bonus hack, stop chasing sleep. The more you force it, the more it runs away. Instead, focus on rest, not sleep. Lie down, close your eyes, and tell yourself, even if I don't sleep, I'm still resting. Ironically, this takes the pressure off, and sleep sneaks in on its own. Here's the truth. Insomnia isn't about being weak or broken. It's about habits, signals, and patterns. Fix those, and your body remembers how to sleep. So, what keeps you up at night? Stress, overthinking, or just TikTok scrolling? Drop it in the comments. And let's see how many of us are secretly fighting the same battle. And hey, if this helped, hit like and subscribe to Stickly Simple, where we turn life problems into stick-figure solutions. Sleep tight.